iLoad Airways.
Never snack on iLoad Airways.
Oh shit, this guy's gonna try and overtake you. Probably gonna speed up.
This is what you get as a refreshment when you get into the iLoad.
That's right.
It comes complimentary. And the fridge in the back.
These little towns. I couldn't live out here. They drive me insane. You'd see the same 4 people every day. Hi, Jude. Hi, Steve. Imagine if you're the hottest chick. You went to the local high school, you're the hottest chick.
Yeah, but
You'd be fucking queen of the town. Queen of
when they finish school, they go into the city, the big smoke.
It's like Thailand. They go to Jakarta to go and work in the brothels.
Oh. How do you know this?
Because Chris told me, like, the guy, our surf guy.
Oh, when you went on a surf trip. What are you doing?
I'm trying to drive an egg biscuit. These are bloody great.
Good idea.
It's exactly what I needed.
It's probably the only healthiest thing in the whole petrol station.
We got all the fat kids at Macca's next to us, and that turned me right off.
The fries did smell good.
Yeah, but the people fucking ordering didn't.
The gorillas.
Every time you tend to eat Macca's or junk food, you just look at the people who are in the line and you go, right, I don't want to look like that, so I'm not going to eat that shit.
So fuck. Why are you ordering that?
On the way down to the holiday house one time, Kay and I was so hungry. We went to Macca's, and I looked at Kay, he looked at me, we saw this fat ass bloke, and then we both just gone. I think I just said, I don't want to look like that, I'm not eating that. And I think the guy might have heard. So we went to that Oliver's, all that healthy place. Twice expensive, but so much better for you. Macca's is good when it's like 3 AM and you're pissed.
Well, you go to Noodle Kingdom and get dumplings. You don't feel a shit.
Yeah. Fuck it. Overtaken it. You've just been overtaken by an iLoad.
Well, she's not bad.
It's not bad. Should have slowed down. It's gonna think you're having a wank. See how it's whistling, you can hear it?
Yeah.
Sounds like a bomb.
It is. We've got a van and we're terrorists.
For ISIS.
We're ISIS. ISIS coming to get ya.
So where's all the traffic now? There's no one in front of us. There's no one behind us.
No one lives out here. So we're in the, Joel just picked up the his new van, and a few days ago we saw the weather forecast and we're like, should we go camping? Yep, alright, done. Let's go camping. Friday, yep, okay, done. Finish work early? Yep, okay, done. And we're on the road. Going to Wilsons Prom. So I do a bit of video in there and show you a bit of the beach and all that sort of stuff.
Best beaches in Victoria.
Yeah, it's both southerly point of Victoria, I think.
Australia.
Oh, it's of Australia. Wow, there you go. Of Victoria and Australia, the most southerly point.
Do you know what the most easterly this one is?
Byron Bay.
Yeah. That's right. Yes.
Hey. Hey.
Good. Oh, look at these bad boys. Beautiful. So we've decided to come down to Wilsons Promontory for the weekend. So we're just at the shops getting some food.
Hey. Hey.
If you've ever seen The Wedding Singer, watch it with the freaks at table 9. They're all here. Lee Gaffer.
Hey. Yeah.
Pub looks like a boat. Just stopping off at the pub to get a feed before we go camping. Yeah. place has a massive selection of desserts. So if you ever come to Fish Creek, try their desserts. Wow, so many. See, we ordered chicken parma. Get in my belly. We usually come here over Christmas, but it's really expensive. They've doubled their prices. See, it's $1,000 for 2 weeks. But it's already booked out, so we can't come down. So we thought we'll come down now before it gets really busy. That's Wilsons Promontory. I'll put all the details in the description of the prom. It's a national park. It is awesome. So anyway, I'm going to get some food.
Fuck, you're gonna fart, aren't you? You're gonna fucking fart. You did.
No.
You have. What are you fucking laughing at? What have you done?
Nothing. Old mate's left his window down.
Who? Oh, they do here. No one steals them. There's nothing to steal.
That's what you do in the country. You leave your windows open, and with the keys in the ignition.
Everyone knows it all.
That was the biggest chicken parma I've had, and that made up for all the parmas I didn't have throughout the year. Whew. So we've got about an hour to drive, and Joel was saying from the gate to the total.
Half an hour to the gate, and then half an hour again.
Yeah, from the gate at the prom to Tidal River is another half an hour. So it shows you how big the national park is. Another hour to go, and then we'll be setting up the campsite. Yeah. Oh yeah. The two most important things you need when you go camping are the two things that we forgot: torch and chairs. Because what are you going to sit on? We forgot a torch and a chair.
Sit on the ground.
There's shower blocks and all that sort of facilities, so that's fine. But yeah, we'll just have to sit on the floor.
On the floor.
Sit on the floor.
Sit on
The floors. I don't know. Well, maybe we'll just crash someone's party and join someone else and sit with them. I'm sure we'll know someone there.
the floor. Could be a schoolies group.
Could be schoolies there. Could be. There's normally Christmas time. There's people that you would know there, but maybe people got some spare chairs they can lend us.
We'll just take their chair.
Hey, you don't mind if I buy some brown sugar?
Come on, man.
Come on, man.